Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall a program in Windows 11. So here I'm using Windows 11, and to uninstall the apps or program, you need to go to the Start menu and go to Settings. Okay, so in here you'll see at the left panel there is apps. Click on that and click on apps and features at the top. Okay, so here is the list of apps that is installed in my Windows 11. So I'm going to just uninstall one of them. For example, I want to uninstall this game Clash of Empires since I don't play it. So just click on the three dots icon besides at the right corner of the app's name or the program name, and you'll find uninstall. Click on that. So this app and its related info will be uninstalled. If you are sure, just click on uninstall and wait for the uninstalling process to be finished. Okay, so after the uninstalling process is finished, the program will be disappear just like that. Okay, so that's all from me. That is how you can uninstall program in Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment. And if you think this video is good, don't forget to click on like and subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye bye.